Hi, I'm Paul from How to Repair, and I'm just doing a quick review on this parking location on the River Loire. I'm just about 20 minutes outside of Nantes, and this is on Park for Night. It's a very nice location. There are no facilities whatsoever, and there is really only one place for parking flat with a small camper. My camper is 8 meters and I'm on a slight slope, so I really need to put the chocks in. It's quite easy access off the road. It is very peaceful at night, but after 10 o'clock. From 10 o'clock until 6 o'clock in the morning, it is peaceful. But during the rest of the day, you are next to a main road. But the location is quite nice. You only have a bin facility here and a slightly rickety table that could still be used. But the actual location is stunning. You're right on the river. And it's quite picturesque. There are no Wi-Fi signals or anything like that here. It is just basically an air pullover which you're entitled to park at. It's easy access in coming this way, and I'll put a map on the actual video for you so you can see. You've got an entrance coming in off the road and also an entrance to get back on the road, so you don't need to turn or anything else. Really, it's not the best I've found, but it is quite safe and quite peaceful. It would be much better if it was away from the main road, but it is free parking and it is quite useful. So I hope this helps someone. Okay, here's the main road. And as you can see, there's a fair bit of traffic during the daytime. The access to this is nice and easy. You just come in off the road. You've got parking for possibly 3, maybe 4 campers. The bonus is Uber delivers. We had McDonald's last night because we got here late. So it was delivered within 20 minutes and the food was warm, so it must be quite close. But you can see the traffic on the road here. There's a cycle and pedestrian path running all the way down the river towards Nantes and going all the way up in the other direction. And I'll quickly take you for a quick look down from the top of the camper so you can get a good shot of the river. Okay, here's the view from the top of the camper. The road's quiet at the moment. You can see the islands in the River Loire there. And this goes all the way down to the bridge that you can see in the distance there. And if you cross over that bridge, just over the other side is a railway track that takes you into the city centre. There's no way I can actually get down access to the river to get a good view, but I'll try and give you a scan round. It's not worth me putting the drone up today just for this. But it is a totally free location. You do have a bin, but it seems like it's one of those bins that will always be full. It's got our tins from last night, which I couldn't fit in there. And it's got an old rickety table, and there's another table down the bottom there as well. I'm an appliance engineer and I'm traveling all around Europe at the moment, and I'm doing these reviews on different campsites that I stay at to help other people in making a decision. Thanks very much indeed for watching.